Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Up. Today I will show you how to turn on notification on your Discord app. If you are wondering what a notification is, then it is a message that Android displays outside our app's UI to provide the user with reminders, communication from other people or other timely information from our app. Users can tap the notification to open the app or take an action directly from the notification. First open the Discord app and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Here you will see your profile and different options. Scroll down and choose the notification option in the app setting right below web browser. Then here you will see different notifications. You will see in-app notifications, system notifications and other notifications. Here you can turn on every notification or choose the one that you want. I will show you by turning on every notification available here. The first notification available in app notification is get notification within Discord. If you want to get the notification within the Discord, tap on the toggle switch right beside it and turn on the notification. Then the next notification is system notification. If you want to get the notification outside of the Discord app, then tap on the arrow button that is right beside the get notification outside of Discord. Here tap on the toggle switch at the top of the page right beside allow notification and turn on the notification. Now go back and here you will see other notifications also. Tap on the toggle switch right beside get notification when your friends stream. It's a notification when you will get when your friends stream on the Discord app. Tap on the toggle switch and turn on the notification. Here you have successfully turned on the notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.